Machine building has always pushed the limits of technology. In the past, builders had to choose between performance and cost. Now, the industry demands both precision and affordability. The market demands better machines without the extra expense. At AMEL Technica, we are on a mission to transform the machine building industry. We are here to change the game. By offering the most extensive range of micro-precision gearboxes in the market, unlocking a new level of quality and affordability. Offering a state-of-the-art power transmission with the highest torsional rigidity and the lowest backlash, without any noise and vibrations in your machines. Providing stability in delivery times and service. Our approach is rooted in a simple belief: the future of machine building relies in the fusion of cutting-edge technology with an unparalleled cost efficiency. To this end, AMEL Technica has forged a strategic partnership with Liming Machinery Group, a Taiwanese powerhouse with over 50 years of success in power transmission. Together, we'll leverage Liming's expansive manufacturing capabilities, making use of the collective expertise of over 1,200 skilled professionals across more than 5 state-of-the-art factories worldwide. This collaboration is our cornerstone, enabling us to deliver the most extensive portfolio of high-precision products. High-precision servo planetarium reducers, both inline and right angle. High-precision hollow rotary reducers. Zero backlash, cycloidal and harmonic reducers for robotic applications. High-precision hypoid and bevel reducers. The future of machine building is not just about meeting the demands of today, but anticipating the needs of tomorrow. With AMEL Technica and Liming Machinery Group, you are not just keeping pace with the industry, you are setting the standard. Open the door to a new era of micro-precision. Start building better machines today.